Alright, you guys. I've been kind of jamming. I'm installing the clutch. I'm going to try and get it done by Saturday. It's Thursday night. I'm calling it a day for the night. I got all the transmission bolts off from the top down. I just have the two last ones where the starter are at. So I got a stage 3 6-puck. I got it recommended to one of my boys on Instagram. And then here's the pressure plate. I didn't buy a flywheel. I'm just hoping that the flywheel is okay and it doesn't have too much, you know, I hope it's not warped, or I'm just hoping for the best case scenario. That way I could still run it. I'll still be able to run it regardless. I just don't want to have to get it resurfaced. Just because it'll prolong the installation, but there's the clutch. Let me show you guys under the car really quick, just to show you guys what I got done. Okay, so I got all the tranny bolts off, like I said. I got the Y pipe out. It's over there. So now all I gotta do is drive shaft bolts, clutch line, rip the drive shaft out, get the tranny mount off and disconnected, lower the transmission and wiggle that Johnny out, assess the damage, install the new clutch. I also gotta rethread a bolt right there, and then also on the little center part where the drive shaft hooks up, I also gotta rethread that, but should be a pretty easy install. I'll catch back up with you guys tomorrow when I start working again. Alright, y'all, transmission is out. It's the fluid. Tranny's out. Haven't been filming much because you guys know me by now. I don't really film while I'm working because it kind of makes it double the work, but here's the clutch. I also realized that the starter location makes it really shitty for DE cars because the steering rack is right here. So replacing a fucking starter on this would be a fucking bitch, bro. Like, I'm pretty sure that you would have to either drop this fucking brace. I don't even know, dude. I don't even want to think about that, but yeah, tranny's out. Then I get the clutch off and see how it's looking. Yeah, and just keep jamming away. I'll get back to you guys when I get the clutch off so you guys can see. Alright, got the clutch out, and it's safe to say this motherfucker is cooked. I mean, there's still life, like, to drive, but, like, no wonder it was slipping so bad. God damn. Look how thin that disc is. I don't really know much about... Dude, look at the hot spots. I don't really know much about, like, clutch wear and shit like that. This is the first time I've ever installed and disassembled a clutch by myself. I've done it with the DE one time, but that was, like, in 2020. But, this shit was installed in 2020, actually. There's writing on the pressure plate. Right there, you can see 6/12/20. So, it's definitely due. The flywheel actually doesn't look too bad. It might look worse on camera. I don't know. Let me see. So here's the flywheel. It doesn't look too bad, and it also doesn't feel terrible. Like, honestly, I should be fine to run this without getting it resurfaced. Just clean it up real good. And then put the new clutch on. New pilot bearing. Grease the input shaft. Throw it back in. And should be good. The only thing I'm worried about is this starter right here. Because there's no way to, like, hold it up while I put the tranny in. And it's in such an awkward spot. It can't go any, like... I don't know how to explain it. Like, I can't uninstall it and then install it when the transmission's in, because I tried getting it out while the transmission was in and I couldn't. It was just stuck. But other than that, should be good. I gotta rethread 2 bolts down there for the tranny crossmember brace. And then other than that, we'll have a new clutch and should be good to drive. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with how the flywheel looks. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look like fucking destroyed or anything. There definitely is some hot spots, but that's normal. So, yeah. I'm gonna clean some stuff up, and I may install the clutch tonight or tomorrow. I just want to get some opinions on how the flywheel looks and what I should do before throwing in the new clutch. But yeah, here's the old clutch and why I'm changing it. Shit is fucking cooked. I also thought this was a 6-puck clutch, but it's not. It's just a normal clutch. I wonder if this is even a staged clutch or not. Might just be for OE fill, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up and get ready to install the new one. Where's the bread at? What are we going with today? Where's my Wanda? Where's my Wanda? Where's my Wonder Bread?
Keto bread to make it healthy.
Oh, you're right. Healthy multigrain? I think my car would like this. Where the good bread at, cuz? The best. You're welcome. Where my receipt at, cuz? Sponsored by Rayleigh's. Good Wanda. One loaf of Wanda into the bowl. Alright, y'all. So my car didn't fuck with the Wonder Bread. So we went to Harbor Freight and got some professional tools. Whoops. It's time to get this stupid fucking pilot bearing out. Alright. Get this Mookie on there. Alright, here goes nothing. Damn, that fucker's in there. The fuck? Alright, let's try this again. Fuck, dude, I don't understand. That shit is in there. I don't even think it's moved. Get out, you bitch. Yeah! I'm gonna destroy the smithereens out this stupid fucking pilot bearing. Fuck whoever installed that shit. That's what you deserve, you punk rock beezy. Get fucking annihilated, boy. Into smithereens. Time to install a new one. Alright, transmission's ready to go in. I got the clutch all installed. Show you guys real quick. Clutch is all in, torqued. So now I'm just gonna try and shimmy the trans in and get it bolted up. And then, yeah, should be good to put all the transmission bolts and start putting fluid in it. Alright guys, not gonna lie, this job took a lot longer than I thought I was going to. That transmission is so fucking heavy, dude. But, ow. Everything is in. Transmission, Y pipe, drive shaft, starter, everything is in. Clutch is bled, somewhat. Good enough to drive, hopefully. Transmission is filled. Put 3 quarts in it. Didn't start dripping out the trans, but I don't have time, and I'll fill it up completely tomorrow. Looked up online, it said like 3.5 quarts or something like that. But everything is in, fully installed. I'm lowering it right now, and then I'm going to install the top 4 transmission bolts behind the plenum. I can't do it from under there. I got to do it from the top right here. So I'm lowering it so I can get on top and then put those in, and then she's good. Next clip should be it driving. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, I'm on the way home. Install is complete. Took me, pretty sure 2 days to put the new clutch in. Still gotta bleed it a little bit, so I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Literally just have to bleed it maybe like 5 more times, I don't know. Needs a little bit of bleeding done, but other than that, clutch works. It's all good. It's a little bit more noisy than the last clutch, but I'm sure it's just the break-in period. But yeah, car's back on the road.